Welcome to the CarSpyTV Christmas special. So here we are back in the £100 Nissan Micra. In this Christmas special, we are going to do a little bit of tinkering.
Yep, just a little bit.
Because
not too much.
No, because as usual, there are a few bits and pieces wrong with this car. I also have you a very exciting present.
Can't wait.
And if we have time, maybe a little bit of Christmas food.
Oh, so it's going to be a party bus. Party bus.
A party Micra. Yeah. First though, I have something a little bit disgusting to show you, I'm afraid. And while I do that, what are you going to do?
I'm going to decorate.
You're going to decorate?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. So have a look at this bowl of rather nice water. This, believe it or not, is what poured out the back of the exhaust yesterday when I started the engine and revved the throttle a little. So what I think's happened is that condensation has formed in the exhaust. That condensation has sat for a while. It sat long enough to make the exhaust go rusty, the water's gone a funny colour, and then when I started the engine, all this beautiful water poured out the back. So, what I want to do then is get under the car, have a quick look and see what's left of the exhaust. Hopefully not too rusty. Okay, so we're at the back of the exhaust now, the muffler. Let's just see if it's obviously full of holes. A little bit of rust there, but overall that doesn't look too bad, which is encouraging. Let's see if we can see a little bit more up there. Again, well, it doesn't look terrible. Let's pop around the other side. So we're looking down the right hand side of the car now. Again, exhaust doesn't look too terrible. There is some surface corrosion about there. Can you see that? But overall, from what I can see here without lifting the car, it could be a lot worse. So I suppose most of the corrosion is inside and it hasn't yet broken through. Well, that's something. So I see you've done a little bit of Christmas decoration.
Yeah, just a little bit. I mean, obviously there's not a lot of room in a Micra, but I did try to get the Christmas tree in, but...
I saw you. You should have opened the sunroof, then it would have been fine.
It might have worked, but, you know, 6-foot Christmas tree in a little Micra.
Okay.
It was yeah, I should have been a bit more realistic, so I got the little tree there.
Oh, I see, the gold thing.
Yeah, the gold thing.
Yeah.
So I've got my Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing says Christmas like a bit of a Christmas robin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got some chocolate there.
Yeah.
Did you want to hear Scotty Dog sing?
No, I remember him singing from last year. That's
sure?
That's the one that sings and dances, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a one-time only offer.
I can live with it. It's okay.
Okay. Obviously a bit of Christmas lighting in there.
Yeah.
Obviously nothing shouts Christmas like tinsel. Couple of Christmas crackers for later if we fancy it.
Yeah.
Might even have a little treat in here for you.
What's in there?
You'll find out later.
Okay, and I see you've done something in the front of the car over here.
I've got my stockings, my Christmas stockings.
Yeah.
Nothing in them yet, so...
Well, presumably you didn't write your letter to Santa.
Oh, yeah.
Never mind.
Oh, well, never mind.
Send him an email.
Yeah.
And what's this down here on the dashboard?
We have our little wind-up Father Christmas.
Yeah.
So I was just going to see if he'd actually walk across.
Oh, walk across the dashboard?
Yeah, walk across the dashboard. Give him a go.
All right, there we go. Let's pop
him
him down.
Yeah, pop him down there.
Okay, Santa. Oh, no.
Oh, he's been on the whiskey again. Yeah.
Okay. Poor Santa. For humanity. So, as it's Christmas, we've decided to treat this £100 Nissan Micra to a new pollen filter, which lives here behind where the glove box normally is. As you can see, we've already taken out the glove box and just in the process of removing this metal plate. There's one more screw on that. And, oh, that's getting awkward, isn't it? There we go. And then, as I recall, the filter is behind here. So I'll need to remove this screw down there at the bottom. which is coming out nice and easy. Pull off that little trap door, and there's the filter, which is doesn't want to come out. Need a pair of pliers. Hang on. Stay there. Got some somewhere. This is my makeshift tool bag for the day.
I love taking out dirty filters.
Do you?
Yeah, I just think it's amazing how much dirt they actually catch, and you don't actually realise it's working in the background.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true.
That's
okay.
Brilliant.
All right. Well, let's pull this one out. Yeah, that's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Actually, I've seen a lot worse. Have a look at that.
Oh, yes.
So that's clearly been there for some time. It's working.
Yeah, look.
Catching bits of leaves. So,
Is that leaf as well?
yeah, that's a bit of leaf.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is buy a blueprint, blah, 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 or something comparable.
Yeah.
Now, I did promise you a very exciting Christmas present, and there it is. What do you reckon it is?
Oh, I don't know. It's not diamonds because it's too heavy.
But it could be a really big, heavy diamond.
Is it food related?
No. No, it's not food related.
Okay.
Maybe it's a holiday.
Ooh, but
That would be
where?
nice. Well, I don't know. Have a look, have a look, have a look.
Okay, okay. What?
You look thrilled.
What?
There we go.
It's not my normal tipple.
No, no, it's not your usual whiskey and coke.
No. Okay, so what is it?
Well, some people might think it's a bottle of water, but it is in fact a sunroof leak detection device.
Okay, you shouldn't have, and I mean you really shouldn't
No,
have.
you deserve it.
Oh, thank
You deserve it.
Thank
But and I'll tell you what, you haven't got to wait long to play with your new present, because I have a funny feeling that sunroof might be leaking, and we can use your present to find out.
Let's do it.
So whenever I have a potentially leaky sunroof, the first thing I do is check the drainage channel, because what we have here is a hole just under there, and then a pipe that goes down here, down the A-pillar somewhere, and then water can escape around there down the bottom of the car. And what could happen over time is these drainage channels can fill up with mud, and then of course water, rather than going down there and escaping, pools up here and causes all kinds of issues. So what we're going to do is pour some water down that drainage channel and make sure it's emerging from the bottom of the car, and that's what we can use Mrs. CarSpyTV's Christmas present for. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right.
Right. Let's
You okay?
do this, yeah. Right. Oh, gosh.
Raining a bit?
Yeah. Well, thank God it's not snow, though. Oh.
Well, it would be nice to have snow on Christmas Day.
Oh, yeah, if you don't want to like those Christmas movies you see
It
on telly.
would,
at the moment, isn't
yeah,
it? Right, I'm pouring it down the hole. As you can see, I can hear it. I can hear the suction of water moving.
And with a bit of luck, that water is going to emerge somewhere down the bottom of the car. Yep. There we go. So that's pouring out absolutely fine. The drainage channel is not blocked. There is also another drainage channel on the other side of the car, which we'll check in a moment. Alright, so we've also tested the drainage channel on the offside of the sunroof, and water is pouring down there absolutely fine as well. So whatever the problem with the sunroof, if it is leaking, it's not those drainage channels, which is good.
That's very good. But it does mean we've got a mystery to solve.
Yes. Yeah, there's always some mystery to solve with this car. Anyway, Christmas?
I think it should be Christmas now. Yeah, absolutely. I think we've done enough now. We deserve
A cracker.
a cracker.
A Christmas cracker. Have you got some?
Yeah. I've got one here. And
Real
I've got
gold?
one here, real gold, and also a Merry Christmas Snowman one. So,
Oh, you want to do both?
yeah, let's do both at the
All
same
right.
time. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Well, okay.
Hey, I got
Do you want to
one.
open yours first?
Yeah, let's have a look. Oh.
What's that then? Is that your...
I got some
oh,
some
stickers.
stickers of some sort.
It's a reindeer.
It's a reindeer. It is. It's a Rudolph.
Oh, hang on, you got that as well,
I
look.
think that might have come out of yours.
Oh, right, okay.
But I couldn't be sure.
Well, in that case, I have a little yellow plastic frog, and that does make Christmas complete.
Of course it does.
And indeed New
Everybody
Year.
needs a frog at Christmas. Right, okay, it's obligatory to actually tell the jokes. So if you get them, let us know in the comments section, yeah?
I've just read.
Go on.
What's an airline pilot's favourite crisps? Plain. It's terrible.
That's better than my ones.
Terrible.
Right then, so why does Father Christmas go down the chimney?
No idea, go on.
Because it suits him. Anyway, I've got a Christmas quote here as well. Christmas is not as much about opening our presents as opening our hearts.
Oh. Yeah, I think we can put that one down there.
Okay, do you want your hat on?
Well, I've already got one hat on.
Well,
We can always have a
Yeah.
spare hat.
Yeah.
This one's waterproof.
I'm going to go with no, it's
No.
not. I've
Quite
got a
fiddly.
pink one, you've got an orange one, so there we go. Double
Yeah.
up on the hats. Not the
Double up for
warmest day.
extra festivities.
Exactly.
There we go.
And our frog. Hang on, he's going to come and see it. Woohoo!
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Right, now I did promise you a little treat, didn't I? So, in the box of box, but do you want a treat or would you like a drink first?
Oh no, let's go for what's in there.
Yeah?
What have we got?
I baked these myself.
Did you? Did you really?
I baked
Little-
these myself.
Little chocolatey, what are they? Cakey things?
Cakey things, yeah.
Okay. Oh, they smell quite nice.
They are.
Well, after you.
They're covered in chocolate. Oh, thank you.
Well, let's try these. And they seem to be heart-shaped.
Of course.
Is it nice?
Very nice.
Let's tuck in.
It's a gingerbread heart with chocolate on.
That is nice. Finish that in a minute.
Yeah. Right.
A drink.
Also, got to have a drink at Christmas. Got to toast. Got to toast all things festive. And also,
Go on, get the lid back hard.
yeah,
Has it been awkward?
yeah.
Twist
And
it
also
round.
hope that we all get really nice presents and have a really nice time.
Yes.
So cheers, my darling.
Cheers to you.
Okay.
Merry Christmas to you. Thank you all for watching this year on CarSpyTV. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We have plans for this car and indeed other cars and indeed plans which have nothing to do with cars.
Yeah, absolutely. So, have a merry, merry, merry Christmas, a fantastic new year, whatever you're doing. I hope it's all full of cheer for you.
Merry Christmas. Cheers.
Cheers. Where's the whiskey?
I drank all that.
Ah, fair enough.